Alright, let's look at quiz 6, number 1, part A. Alright, so let's find the x coordinate of the centroid because y bar is going to be 0. Right? So since we're looking at the half disk, so it's going to look like this. So here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis, and the origin. And so it's a unit disk, so radius is 1. Right? So we're looking at this region right here, this half disk. Right? So remember that since we're looking at the centroid, so density is going to be a constant, but better yet, any constant would work. So I will just think of it a rho is going to be 1, right? Then we know that if you take the double integral over this region, so I'm going to call this guy r, right? And then you have x dm, but dm is going to be same thing as dA because density is 1. So we have with respect to area element is going to be x bar times the total mass, but total mass is exactly the same thing as the total area. Right? So all we really have to do is to find the you just need to find 1 over a area, which is given there. Then we just need to evaluate this double integral over this half disk. Right? Since this is a round object, it probably might be a good idea to use a polar coordinate. So if you want to turn that into a polar coordinate, we would get something like this. Right, so 1 over a is just the reciprocal of pi over 2, so it's going to be a 2 over pi. Right, then double integral. So I'm going to actually use the polar coordinate. X is same thing as r cosine of theta. Right, then dA, area element is r, so I'm going to square that, dr d theta. Right, and this for any fixed angle, theta r is going to go from 0, r is going to go from 0 to 1 because radius is 1, so we know that 0 to 1. Right, to cover the entire region, we would have to start from here. This is going to be a negative pi over 2 all the way to, because you're going to try to cover the entire half disk, up to positive pi over 2. So you would have negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. Right? Then you just need to evaluate that from there. So I'll just say dot dot dot, and I want you guys to finish it up. All right, that's it. I hope that this will get you going.